Hi everyone, in this video you will learn to set up an automation to give membership of your websites to the contacts that you are adding in ActiveCampaign's application. So guys, before we start, let me talk first about the applications involved here. So the first application is ActiveCampaigns, which is a marketing and sales CRM application by which you can interact with your customers by creating email campaigns or any other campaigns. And the other is WishList Members, which is a plugin for WordPress by which you can create a membership website. Okay. So the use case here is that you are running any giveaway for your customers on any platform like the social media platform. Okay. And you want to provide free membership of your website to your selected customers. Okay. So you have selected like 100 customers. Now you just have to add the contact details of the customer in ActiveCampaigns, and the same customer is going to be added as a member in your membership website automatically. So you need not to manually add the member first in ActiveCampaigns, then as a member in another website manually. So this will surely save a huge amount of your time, and a mail also be delivered to the same customer to whom you are providing the free membership, telling him or her that she has given this giveaway from your site. Okay, so now let me show you how this is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my ActiveCampaign applications dashboard and I am under the contact section. Okay, so guys, here I'm going to create a contact in front of you, and you will see the same contact is going to be added here as a member in our WishList Member plugin here. Okay, so let's create a contact. I'm clicking on add a contact here, and let me fill in the details. Let's say our contact is Arpit Kumar. Okay, this is the email ID of this person, a phone number. Okay, let me select an account and I'm clicking on add here. And I'm going to add this person in this list here, wish list that I have created in the ActiveCampaigns. Okay, I'm clicking on apply. And you can see Mr. Arpit Kumar is added here in a list in ActiveCampaigns first. Okay, now let's check in WishList Member plugin if we got this new contact added as a member or not. So here, let me refresh this member section of this plugin. Okay, and you can see Arpit_10 is added here in the silver level of the membership automatically. I didn't do anything manually here, and it got added here automatically, and you can check the details of this customer here in this panel. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys, and this is how you can also do this. So let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So guys, to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, we are going to set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge very easily. So first of all, you need to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, please use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you'll get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and log in to reach here. After reaching here, you just have to click on this create workflow button to create a workflow of automation, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as ActiveCampaigns to WishList Members automation. Okay, right, now click on this create button and you can see your workflow is getting created here. So guys, here on this page you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger or start this workflow, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new contact added in ActiveCampaigns application, and the response or the action towards that trigger would be to add the same person as a member in WishList. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application first, which is active campaign in our case selected. This is active campaigns, and in the trigger event select contact added option, so it will trigger when a new contact is added to any list. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, and here it will ask for the API key and the URL of ActiveCampaign application to make this connection. So you will find these things, you can see in the instructions. You have to reach the settings, and under the developers tab you will find these two things. Okay, so you can read the instructions here. Let me show you how exactly we can find these things. So this is my ActiveCampaign applications dashboard, and here you can see on the left hand side, bottom left hand side, we have the settings icon. Click on settings, and under the settings panel you will find this developer option. Click on developer, and here you can see we have this URL and the API key. So first of all, copy this API key and paste it here in this field, and then copy the URL as well, then paste it here in this URL field, and you have to paste the URL in this format. This means we do not need to enter this leading HTTP address, just remove it. Okay, now click on save, and you can see we are connected with ActiveCampaigns, right? And here it is asking for the list to select. So guys, here let me show you. I have a 3 list here in ActiveCampaigns. Okay, we have these 3 lists, and I am adding the contacts here in this wish list. Okay, so select the name of the list from here like this, and now give a name to this webhook connection that we are creating. So I am entering here new active. Okay, you can give any name according to yourself. Okay, now click on save and send test request, and it will start to show this waiting for the response. So this means now guys, you have to perform a test submission, and the test submission would be adding of a contact in ActiveCampaigns. So we'll create a demo or a test contact inside ActiveCampaigns, and the data of that contact will be captured here in the response section. Let me show you. So here I am coming back to my ActiveCampaigns, and let me open the contact section. Okay, and under the contact section, let me add a new contact by clicking here on add a contact button, and let us add a new contacts. Let's say the name of the contact is Daniel Bryan. This is the email address of this person. Okay, so this is a test contact we are creating here, so you can fill these details like this. Okay, now I am clicking on add. Okay, and let's check if the data of this contact got captured or not. So you can see in the response received section, we got the data of a demo or a test contact captured like this. Here you can find the email address, the first name, the last name, the contact number, all the things that you have entered in the contact section is captured here, right? And you can see in the list, it is in the list label, it is showing the default value as 0 here. Okay, so when you add a contact, the response will be captured here. But guys, if you are adding the contact in a specific list, it will show you the list option after adding the contact like this. Right now it is asking the contact actions. So if you want to add this contact to list, select the list from here, then select the list name, and then click on apply. So the contact that you have added here will be captured, or will be you can see will be added in a specific list. Okay, so guys, here it is showing the list default value as 0, but here you can see when I open these lists here, let me open this wish list where we have added the contact. Here you can see we have this Daniel Bryan added here, and the ID of this list you can see from this top URL. The list ID here is equal to 3. not 0. Okay, so we need to apply this condition here, saying to Pabbly Connect that when the list added, when the contact added in the list equal to 3, then only continue the workflow. Okay, we do not want every member to be added as a member in our membership website. We just want to add those contacts as a member that we are adding in this list, which is the wish list. Okay, for that to happen, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called filter to apply this condition here. Okay, so select filter from this action step and now it is asking for the label. So here I am going to select this list label. Okay, first of all select the list label, just click here and it will show you this active campaigns option in the drop down, and from here map the list label. Okay, and in the filter type select equals to, and in the value you have to fill 3, which is the list ID of the list in which we are adding the contact. You can see the list ID is equal to 3 here, so put the number here as 3. Okay, and now click on save and send test request. So here it is showing error and the condition is false because the default list captured here is showing 0. But in real time, after setting up this automation, when this automation is going to run, when you add the person in the list, this list value got changed and the data will be captured correctly and the filter will continue to run. Okay, do not to worry. So just set the filter here. After this, what we want to add this person as a member in our membership website. For that to happen, click on this plus icon and another action step will open up, and from here search for the plugin which is WishList Member plugin. Okay, and in the action event you have to select create member option. This is it, create member, select it, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API URL and the API key. So follow the instructions written here. You will find the key in the advanced option. Okay, so I'm coming back to my WordPress dashboard, and here I have this WishList Member plugin, and under this plugin you will find this advanced option here. Click on it, and under this you will find this API key option here. Click on API option, and here is the key that we needed. Let's check. We need the URL and the key. Okay, so first of all copy the URL, paste it here, then copy the key and paste it here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with WishList Member plugin also. So you can see we are now connected, and here it is asking for the username, the email. These are the 2 required fields to create a member in the membership website. So guys, we have captured the test data here in the first step. So we are going to use the labels of this test data only to set up this automation. So I'm going to map these labels here, the first name, last name, and the contact email label here in this third step. So for the username, we are going to have a unique username for the membership. For that, just click here and you will find this active campaigns option in the drop down. From here, first of all, map the first name of the person, then put an underscore here, and then map another thing from the first step, which is this contact ID. So this will make a unique username for your for the member. Okay, and here in the email field I am going to map the email label from the first step. So here is the email. Okay, so these are the required things here. So if you want to provide a password, you can provide a password, or else it will auto generate a password and send it to the member that you are adding. Okay, now you can select the level of membership from here. So suppose that we are providing silver level membership for our users. So I am selecting silver level. In the company's name, you can enter the company's name. Here in the primary address, you can enter the address if you have. Okay, so we do not have the address, so not to worry, these are not compulsory things. So if you have all these things, you can map all the things. Right now I'm leaving all these things blank. Now you can check your connection with membership website also by clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new contact, a new member is going to be added here in the member section. Let me show you. So this is our member section, and let me click on save and send test request here. Let's see what happens. And this is the response we have received. It is showing the success value as 1. Let's check in our membership plugin if we got a new member, and I'm refreshing this section here, and you can see Daniel_11 is added here in the silver level of membership, and this is the same person whose data we have mapped here, and a new person is created as a member. So this is how it is going to work. So we are done setting up this automation, and let me give you a quick recap here. So first of all, in the trigger we connected active campaigns and captured the data of a test contact from active campaigns to here like this. Then we applied a filter condition to say to this workflow that when a contact is added in a specified list of ID value 3, then only continue this workflow. And after this, in the action step, I connected WishList Member plugin to create a member there, right? And guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, it's going to run automatically. And the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.